Oh,
Today, my Dubai chewy cookies is brought.
oh, matapon.
Okay, that means go try it. There's something inside.
That's mallows. Wow, it's yummy.
Pistachio.
Pistachio with mallows. You have to talk. Tell to your audience.
Pistachio.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. I ate it.
Is it nice?
Oh,
Yeah.
show it to the camera. Go show it to the camera.
I ate it.
Wait. Yun.
You like it? Is it good?
What will you do after you eat it?
Drink water.
There's the camera.
So I have to clean my lips because the coconut powder just go near me.
Okay, I will give you tissue.
So I have to protect my lips.
See? Ibabaw lang chocolate.
Teach them how to wipe your face. And then tell them to drink water after, di ba?
Did you finish it?
Not yet.
Love.
Well, Mike, can I see the marshmallows?
You like it? You finish it na.
Ang galing na idea ko, okay?
When did the coconut powder go near me?
Pero di pa rin alam.
Wow.
Alam niyo pa rin.
Same lang kayo eh.
Hindi ko rin.
Oh, you
Wipe
have
it on the
tissue. Wala lang ano kay, wala lang kulay puti dito eh.
Did you just melt the marshmallows?
Yes!
How you melt it?
Oh, iniwan mo na yung video mo. Close it na.
Ano ba? I have to finish.
Yeah, you have to finish the video. What?
I have to finish the Dubai chewy cookie.
Hmm.
So happy that someone finally made it. Mmm. Yummy.
Labo yung anak mo. Oh, tissue.
Tissue.
Oh, tapusin mo na video mo.
Okay, let's try.
Hindi na na-punch.
Hindi na ba?
The pistachio.
Pero dapat hindi yan magpupusin eh. Diba? Kasi million eh.
Ah.
Paano niya na yung 90 kung wala siyang tatlong 90?
Hindi, ano?
Pistachio.
Individual
Let me
ko
show
ba?
it.
Done na, done.
Let me show it.
Wow.
Dapat hindi
Get ready for part 2.